A body discovered along the banks of the Mississippi River is identified as a missing Minnesota kayaker. According to the Winona County Sheriff's Department, the body of 56-year-old Timothy Heim of Altura was found just before 1 this morning, about 75 feet from the boat landing. Heim's vehicle was discovered at the Minneska boat landing about 20 minutes northwest of Winona. Wisconsin and Minnesota DNR, sheriff's deputies, the Winona Dive Rescue Team, and the Minnesota State Patrol helicopter conducted the search.